Good morning, everybody. This is what I have for you today. We've been forced to stay home for 60 days now. The private hospitals are not permitted to open nor admit any inpatients. There are absolutely no complaints from many citizens of India regarding non-availability of private hospitals. Clinical laboratories have no patients during this period. Medical shops hardly did any substantial business expecting generic medicines and regular medicines for diabetes, BP, asthma for chronic patients. Surprisingly, there's no emergency admissions of any heart patients or any asthmatic patients nor kidney, liver patients. None of these things had any treatment. Restaurants are not open, forcing people to cook at home and eat home-made foods only. No movies, no cinema halls. What does this mean? We really do not need corporate hospitals nor private doctors. We can maintain good health if we don't visit restaurants or tiffin centers. We can live without junk foods. We can live healthy. This clearly means we can live healthy. The corporate hospitals are exploiting the patients and swindling all our hard-earned money, assuming you had food in the restaurant or you had junk food or whatever. So spending money at corporate hospitals and the cost of living is increasing. So what we need is a government hospital fully equipped with latest technology and good qualified and dedicated doctors and sub staff to handle the patients. We do not need to go to a doctor and get an advice to test our blood for unnecessary unwanted viruses, etc. Especially to make clinical laboratories rich. Go to a doctor and then he tells you have to do a lot of tests. He gives you about 10 or 11 tests that will cost you at least about 1,000 rupees. So as a result of this, you don't need to go to a doctor. If you're eating at home, if you're being careful, everything is in your control if you're cooking at home and eating at home. So you're basically not going to you're not going to fall sick, at least controlled environment. So you're spending more time at home. As a result, you don't fall sick. You don't go to a doctor. You don't spend money on clinical laboratories doing tests, etc. So we don't say. I think it has been over 60 days since you have gone to McDonald's or Burger King or KFC or Pizza Hut. We probably need to visit more Indian restaurants serving a traditional food that's probably less harmless. So we can work from home. We can work from home more efficiently than in offices. I think for the last 60 days we have been working at home, and I think people have been more productive. I mean, at least I am being more productive. That's what I've seen. We will travel to office only when it's necessary, probably once a week. So that will also save fuel. Let's all get united and force the government to stop licensing corporate hospitals, restaurants of foreign food chains, and encourage all offices corporate offices to encourage work from home. I think many companies have already started. For example, I think IBM, TCS is also going to go to announce work from home. I think Cognizant has also done that. I think many of the multinational companies have already started doing that. Some of them still want people to visit offices and sit there. We should try encouraging governments to enforce this, work from opportunities for everybody. So that reduces more traveling time. It reduces consumption of fuel. Productivity increases. You spend more time with family. So essentially, we can report to work when there is something that's really necessary, probably once a week. So what I understand from this is I'm spending more time with family. I'm spending more time with family. Sitting at home, improving relationship, developing relationship with everybody. I think this is probably the best work-life balance anybody can have. Then coming on to education, the reform system to empower government schools with modern technique, modern teaching methods, so the village folks don't leave villages to educate themselves in cities. Um, and I think people who have knowledge on fertilizers and agriculture should also help improvising on farming techniques without fertilizers and dairy techniques to get healthy, unadulterated milk and milk products. I think to me, coronavirus has helped. It has helped for a lot. So because I have spent a good amount of time at home with my family after a long time. So I think we should all get together and then share this. We're I've effectively spent no money on medicines throughout this period. Um, I've had no junk food for over 60 days now, and I'm getting used to it. I used to love eating pizzas, but I'm getting used to it now. So I think I'm finding myself more healthy today. Um, I'm enjoying working from home. I'm being more productive. Um, let's get together and then share this message, and let's see how far we can go and then succeed here. Share this message to as many friends possible, and let's get together, change the way we work. Thanks so much. See you guys.